In this short tutorial, I will show you how to easily see all your comments on Facebook. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile app and then tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. And then tap Settings. After that, scroll down until you see an option called Activity Log. Tap on it. Then tap Activity History. And then tap Filters. Then tap Categories. After that, tap where it says Your Facebook Activity. Then tap Comments and Reactions. Then tap Comments. Now you'll be able to see all the comments you've made on Facebook. If you want to delete a comment, tap on the 3 little dots next to that specific comment, and then tap Delete. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.